Why is the number of severe violations on behalf of nursing homes in the state of Florida rapidly increased over the last few years? It's true, according to the Tampa Bay Times, from 2012 to 2018, on average, there were 31 severe violations per year. From 2019 until through the end of 2022, there were 81 severe violations on average per year. That is a huge escalation from 31 per year to 81 per year. And why is it happening? According to the Tampa Bay Times, over 50% of them is because of understaffing. And what is a severe violation? It's things like death, things like real injuries to people, or things that would very likely cause harm. That's a severe violation, and according to the Tampa Bay Times, upwards of 50% of them are due to understaffing. So the severe increase, well, one possibility, and it seems pretty logical, is in the state of Florida. In more recent times, they continue to relax the staffing levels. Now, it's based on the Republican principle of reducing regulation, but at what cost? It used to be that the minimum staffing levels required a certain level of assistant, a certified nursing assistant, to provide certain care. But now, under these new rules, you don't have to be a certified nursing assistant. You can be just a nursing assistant that didn't have the same training experience to do certain things. And on top of that, the number of staff on a 24-hour basis used to require more, now has less. So under the guise of decreasing regulations and let businesses make these decisions, what are we seeing? Increases in severe violations. Things like death, things like injury, things that might possibly cause severe injury. And why is that true? Why is it that decreasing the experience of the people providing the care and decreasing the staff, why does that lead to more injuries? Because it's a labor-intensive thing to provide care to people in nursing homes. People need to be turned and repositioned to avoid getting bed sores or pressure sores on their bodies. People that have what's called dysphagia, difficulty swallowing, need to have chopped up diets and someone sitting there while they eat so they don't choke to death. People that are unstable on their feet need to be watched when they're walking. That takes a lot of staff. When you decrease the staffing levels, you don't have the people in place to do these things. So we could have predicted this. The trial bar said it. You reduce these numbers, and what do you get? You don't meet the needs of the residents, you get more injuries. But now you don't even have to predict it because the numbers show it. There's a rapid increase in severe violations, and it's because there's not enough staff. We need to have increases in staffing levels, not decreases in nursing homes.